Okay, so this this half is cursed. This one went together just fine on the first try. I don't know what's going on with this one. I can't get the same version. And I dropped this part and it broke. Alright, I literally held this in place for 5 minutes. When I started making this piece, I wasn't sure what direction I was going with it. I'm still not sure about it, to be honest. I took a poll on Instagram about whether I should hang it or whether I should make a base for it. The poll was split exactly 50-50. Who knew the internet wouldn't be any help? It's made from some reclaimed oak. It used to be an old cabinet or something. One of my neighbors just threw it out. It was already broken up before I got it. There's lots of imperfections in the wood. Dowel holes and things like that. I wasn't trying to hide the fact that it's reclaimed. Really, when I make these pieces, most of them are just experiments in trying to make interesting forms and shapes. It's quite interesting to see what pieces actually resonate with people. For example, something that I make that I don't necessarily like how it turned out, someone else might think it's great. So beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I've been working on and off on this piece for several weeks. Ultimately, I decided to hang it just to do something different. And Cammy's Garage is all about trying new things. If you'd like to see more interesting wood projects like this one, make sure you stick around to Cammy's Garage.